Ready to unlock a world of effortless international money transfers? First, head over to Worldremit.com or download the Worldremit app from your app store. Click on the Sign Up button to create your free account. You will need to provide your email address, create a secure password, and enter your personal details. Make sure everything matches your official ID. Once your account is set up, it's time to add your recipient. Click Send to and select the country you're sending money to. You can either choose from your existing recipient list or add a new one. To add a new recipient, you'll need their full name, address, and contact number depending on the country and the send method. You might also need their bank details, such as the bank name, account number, and SWIFT code. Double-check this information to avoid any delays. Next, choose how you want your recipient to receive the money. Options can include bank transfer, mobile money, cash pickup, or airtime top-up, depending on their country. Now, select your preferred payment method. Worldremit accepts various payment methods like debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Before finalizing your transfer, carefully review all the details on the review screen. This includes the amount you're sending, the fees, the exchange rate, and the recipient's information. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. After confirming, you'll receive a confirmation message with a tracking number. You can use this tracking number to monitor the progress of your transfer online or through the app. And that's it. Sending money internationally with Worldremit is that simple and secure. Use Worldremit and transfer with confidence.